Do you want to know the different kind of things that you can sell on Etsy? Because in this video, we will show you just that. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make money on Etsy with 7 easy products. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up your browser of choice. Then, what you want to do is to head to ChatGPT on Google. Now, what we are going to do is ask the AI to give us ideas. So, what you want to type in is, give me 7 digital products to sell on Etsy. And as you wait for the AI result, you can now proceed by heading on to a new tab. Type in Etsy and head to their website. If you do not have an account yet, what you want to do is to just sign up and create one. But if you have one, just simply sign in. Now, what we are going to do is to just check the ideas that the bot have listed for us. And we will search up the ideas one by one to see its production in Etsy. So as we search for it one by one, you can see the different number of results of the item. This number represents the number of times this type of item has been uploaded to the Etsy store. So our first item will be printable wall art. To make our printable wall arts, what you want to do is head on to the brand new page. And what you are going to search up for this time is Canva. And what you are going to search up for this time is Canva. Here in Canva, you can edit and create a lot of things, from artwork to video editing, posters, icons, and many more. So, just log in into your account or sign up if you do not have one, and you should be greeted by the Canvas main page. In here, you can see the variety of selections of things that you can do. But what we will be doing here is to press the search bar and look up for wall art. Doing that will bring you to a new page. And in this new page, you will see all of the available templates for this specific portion. However, if you want to start from scratch, all you have to do is to press Create Blank. So, now, what we are going to be doing is to select an example right here. You can see that we are now in the page where we can edit, design, and customize our wall art. So, you can see in the left side of your screen some choices for customizations. In Design, you can select pre-made designs which you can further customize. Next is Elements. These are where you can get stickers, photos, shapes, and other things that you will need for your edits. Then, Uploads. In here, you can upload your own files. In Text, this is where you can add text to your edits. This comes with so much fonts to help you further customize your design. On Draw, this is a drawing tool if you want to draw something on your design or edit. And lastly, Projects. Here are where you can find all the projects that you have made in the past. So, what you want to do now is to start customizing. Add text and elements that you want for your wall art. Do it based on your preference and your genre of choice, or even theme of your choice. And now that we are done customizing, we can now proceed to finalize our design. You can now proceed by pressing the share button right over here. And when you have done that, you can now press downloads right here and change the format of your file. Just download the file and wait for it to finish. As for our final step, Head back to Etsy and upload your own work and start selling it. Repeat the process with the remaining ideas if you want to. And you are now good to go. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make money on Etsy with 7 easy products. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.